Hello, my name is Zohair and I am a game developer. I've been learning Unity for the last 3 years and I actually managed to launch one game called Ja'far's Nightmare. Lately, I decided to make a first-person old-school retro shooter game, a game inspired by Dusk and Red Templar. And this video is the process of how I am making it. Starting off, I open Blender and make some kind of low-poly retro arena that I'm going to use in Unity as environment to test everything in. For the textures, I used free ones that I found online. Took them to Photoshop, stretched the resolution to 128 by 128, which is the resolution was used back in the days, especially in the Ps1 games. And for the rest, I tried to UV map the faces to match the textures. Moving on to Unity, I created a project with the codename Ps1 because I didn't came up with a name for this game yet. Ps1 is the player's name. Also, this name used to be common in my country back in the days. To achieve that crunchy retro look in your textures, all you have to do in Unity is to reduce the resolution to 128 and make the filter mode 2.0. That way you can achieve that crunchy look. Before I begin to code, I look to make some kind of atmosphere for the game, so I can see where it is going. I started out with some post-processing and fog. I also added snow to the scene to make it more alive. When I was satisfied with the look of this game, I decided to start coding. I created a capsule to represent my player. I added a character controller component. Then I made a simple script that basically will allow my player to walk, run, sprint, and jump around the scene. I also added effects to create some game feel, like head bobbing when the player moves, or the change in field of view when the player is sprinting. Then I created another script that will allow my player to look around the scene. For the footstep sound effects, I used this amazing asset in Unity Asset Store that contains a variety of step sound effects. And it is for free, by the way. To achieve that crunchy retro feel when the player is moving in Unity, all they have to do is to select your audio file. Then, in rate settings, use override. Reduce the hertz until it fits what you want to achieve. This was the result. That's it for this video. In the next part, we will talk about the weapons and the arm poses. Also, we will discuss how I animated everything in Unity Engine. And of course, shooting and reload. See you in the next part.